Linking your bank account to SkyScanner for Business can streamline your financial management and enhance your travel booking experience. Follow these steps to set up the connection. Step 1. Create or log into your SkyScanner for Business account. Visit the SkyScanner for Business website and either create a new account or log into your existing account using your credentials. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breach records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Select payment methods. In the account settings, find the option for payment methods. This section allows you to add or edit your payment options, including linking your bank account. Step 4. Enter bank account information. Click on the option to add a new bank account. Fill in the required fields with your bank account details, including the account number and routing number. Ensure all information is accurate to avoid any issues. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. After entering your bank account information, review the details for accuracy. Once confirmed, save the changes. You may receive a verification email or notification to finalize the linking process. By following these steps, you can successfully link your bank account to SkyScanner for Business, making your travel bookings more efficient.